I'm Dr. Rishi Bhargaya, your physical therapist. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go below. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any updates. Today I'm going to talk about the most important and the very common topic, which is upper back pain. Right here. The first and the most important reason of having back pain is poor postures or sitting for a prolonged period of time in poor postures. The second most common reason is upper trapezius muscle strain or the trapezitis, which is inflammation in these muscles. Apart from that, you could also have pain in your upper back due to herniated disc in the neck area or the thoracic area, which can give you pain again in your upper back. Apart from that, it could be due to overuse or the muscle strain in those specific areas. Also due to decondition or the weakness of the muscles in the back area. If you have pain or weakness in your upper back because of any of these reasons, these exercises are for you. So the first and the most important exercise is the chin tuck exercise. So most of the patients, they have a forward chin posture, and because of that, just to trying to correct that posture, you have to attain which is called as chin tuck. So for that, you can sit up tall like in an upright position and then try to bring your chin back. So like kind of creating like a double chin, and this is the posture which we need to attain during most of the exercises which we will do it during this video. Because when you have like correct posture and then if you do your exercises to strengthen your muscle, it will be much more effective than you doing it in this posture. So we will do this chin tuck, 3-second hold and 15 to 20 repetitions. So I'm going to show you from this view as well, and I will also move to a one side so you can see it from the side view as well. Okay, so again, tuck your chin back, not down or up like this, but I'm just showing you a finger to give you a feedback like this. So my finger is right here, a little bit down. My chin is supposed to be a little bit down, not up like this. My finger is here. I'm just moving my chin back, creating a double chin. 1, 2, 3-second hold and then relax. If you can see, this is my finger here. I moved my chin back. 1, 2, 3 and then relax. Okay, 3-second hold. We'll do it for 15 to 20 repetitions. Now the second one is the upper trapezius stretch, which is the stretch for this muscle. This is the most notorious muscle in the upper back area or the neck area, because a lot of people, they have tension in these muscles, and because of the tension in this muscle, it can also feel like you have weakness in your arms. So stretching this muscle will help you a lot in reducing the pain. So for that, you can keep one hand below like this if you are stretching the left upper trapezius muscle, and then the right hand goes around like this. You're trying to bring your right ear to the right shoulder. Keep your neck straight and then move it to one direction such that I feel a good stretch and no pain. And when I'm keeping my hand here, it's trying to depress my shoulder a little, so I feel a better stretch. Okay, make sure your shoulder is back a little and then depressed a little. Again, 30-second hold 3 times. I'm feeling the stretch in this area. Now the second one, if I'm stretching the right side, I'm going to keep my neck straight using my other hand to give a little gentle overpressure like this. Feeling a good stretch and no pain in this area. Again, 30-second hold 3 times. Now we're going to stretch the levator scapulae muscle, which is in here. So when we attain this forward chin posture, those muscles can be a little bit under tension, and so we are trying to stretch that muscle. For that, if we are stretching the left muscle, I'm again going to attain this position where my shoulder is depressed, keeping a little bit back, and now my head is rotated to one side, which is the opposite side, and then I'm going to try to look towards the floor or to look towards my thigh like this, or your axilla or your armpit, and then pull just give a gentle overpressure, not like really pulling it, a gentle overpressure in this direction. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Do it 3 times. You're going to feel a stretch in this area. Now, we're going to do it for the right side. Again, right shoulder is depressed a little bit back. Moving the neck or rotating the neck to the opposite side. Looking at the floor or looking at your armpit. And then giving a little gentle overpressure with the opposite shoulder or hand. Holding this position for 30 seconds. Doing it for 3 times. Such that I feel a good stretch and no pain. It's going to be right here. Now, the most important exercises or the most important strengthening exercises for the upper back are, you can do it in sitting position. You can also do it in laying down, which is face down position. I'm going to show you in seated position. So if you're working at your desk, you can also do it in sitting position. So the very first exercise is the scapular squeeze. You can keep your shoulders like this, back a little, and you can keep your arms in this position and then try to squeeze your shoulder blades together as if your shoulder blades are coming together. Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, and then relax. Squeeze your shoulder blades. 1, 2, 3, and relax. 1, 2, 3, and then relax. Now, you can do the next one is the rowing exercise or the mid-back rows, in which you can attain this position, keeping your elbows tucked to your trunk. Okay. And now you're just gonna keep your, like this, 3-second hold and then back. I'm not moving my trunk. You can see it from the side view as well. I'm keeping my elbows tucked in. I'm just trying to bring my shoulder blades together like this again. So 1, 2, 3, and then relax. 1, 2, 3, and then relax. This will help in strengthening our back muscles here, the posterior muscles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and relax. You can also use TheraBands with it to help you in strengthening your muscles. I will try to demonstrate exercises with TheraBands also in my coming videos. But for now, I'm just showing you the movement properly so that you can try to do the movement. And then once you get the movement right, then we'll also focus on strengthening. Once if this movement becomes easy for you, you can also use dumbbells with it if you want to strengthen your muscles. Or you can also use like water bottles or cans at home to help you strengthen these muscles. We will do this for 15 repetitions and do it for 3-second hold. Okay. Now the next one is the T's. That's going to be for the middle trapezius muscle. And for that, you can attain this position where you're sitting upright, tucked chin, and then just doing like this motion where you're squeezing your shoulder blades together, bringing it back. Okay. Attaining a T position where my arms are going to be at 90 degree, and then 1, 2, 3-second hold and then bring it back. We're going to do this for 15 repetitions as well. Also with this, you can use a TheraBand, you can use like water bottles, cans to help you strengthen the muscles. Now the next one is going to be the lower trapezius muscle or strengthening for the lower trapezius muscle, in which you can attain a position like this where your shoulders are about like 120 degrees like this, and then just moving your shoulders back like this. 3-second hold, trying to squeeze your shoulder blades when you move it back. 1, 2, 3, and then relax. Again, 1, 2, 3, and relax. And now the next one is called as I. Like, so you're attaining this I position where your shoulders are going to be about like 160 to 150 degree in the range. And then you're just moving your shoulders back like this. 1, 2, 3, and then relax. Again, 1, 2, 3, relax. You're going to do this also for 15 repetitions. Now, the next ones which is going to help you is the postural correction exercises, in which you can use a pillow. So I'm going to move my chair a little bit on the side so you can actually have a better view. I'm going to move this pillow right behind my back. Okay. So now you're going to clasp your hands together. Bring your hands right behind like this area. And then you're just going to extend your upper back. So when you have this pillow, it will help you in correcting the posture. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So you will do it for 15 repetitions. Now the second one is gonna be for like butterfly exercise. So you can attain a position like this by keeping your pillow right here. If you don't want to use a pillow, you can also use like a foam roll. You can also use a thick towel, roll it, and then put it right behind in the center of the back. That will also help you in correcting the posture. You can attain this position. Now, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Okay, again 15 repetitions. This will also help you in correcting the posture, stretching your pec muscles. It will be a very good correcting your posture exercise. You can also do it in your desk, like by just placing a roll. Now the next one is gonna be like a snow angel. You can also do it in standing position without the pillow on the wall. You can also use the roll and then do it like a snow angel. So you can chin tuck like this. Keep your arms right here. Tuck your chin. And then bringing it like this. You'll do it for 15 repetitions. Nice and slow. Okay. Now, the next one is going to be a stretch for rhomboids muscle. For that, you can sit in an upright position, clasp your hands, and then just trying to move your shoulders back, forward like this. Hold it for 30 seconds, do it for 3 repetitions. You're going to feel a stretch in this area. Again, clasp your hands, just move my shoulders forward like this. As you can see, like this. 30-second hold, 3 times. The most important tip to avoid or reduce the upper back pain would be try to take breaks every 1 or 2 hours when you're working in sitting posture. Also, if you can try to stretch in between your work, that would be really helpful to you as well in reducing the tension in the muscle. You can do these stretches and exercises at least once a day. If possible, try doing it twice a day as well. If you have any questions with respect to these exercises or video, or if you want me to make any video for any conditions in future, don't forget to write it in my comment section below. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.